Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video, I'll be showing you my process for creating polished cinematic titles and text effects for your videos. These quick tips will add some of the wow factors and help your videos stand out with high quality cinematic text. Whether you need an opener or end credits or just text overlays, let's look at some of the easy ways to make them shine. So let's get started. I have this cinematic video style video. I'm going to play it for you. This is just a simple video of a music. Now let's add the text. Just simply select the text tool and click right here. Now write whatever your text is about. Let's use all the uppercase letter. And now here on the essential graphics, if you can't find this panel here, just simply go to Windows. Here, select the essential graphics. Now, let's make it center align and put it right here in the center. Now, if I play the video, here's a simple text right on above the video. Now, let's select this text, click right here. Let's increase the space between them. This one looks all right. This looks good now. Let's increase a little bit more. Yeah, this one looks fine. Let's again center align it. And we're good to go. Now this part is done. Let's move on to the next one. So let's increase its size a little bit. So this covers the whole screen. Now all this looks good. Now let's add some of the drop shadow to it. Just simply select this, go to the effects. Here search for the drop shadow. In the perspective menu, just drag this and place it right here. Go to your effect controls. If you can't find both of these panels, you simply go to the Windows. Here select the effects or effect control panel. I keep on selecting this text. Search for the drop shadow, and here it is. You can simply select the distance of it. You can add some of the softness. You can zoom in a little bit, see how this looks like. Yeah, this one looks fine. Let's click on the fit. So we have our text ready. Now let's add some animations to it. For that, keep on selecting this. And here in the motion panel, just select the position. Add a keyframe here. Go a little back. And place it right here. Now let's play the video. Now our text is coming from the bottom to the center. Now keep on selecting this. Let's add the opacity. Let's add the 100 opacity here. And around 0 from here. Again, let's play the video. This one looks good. Let's add some of the more animations. Now this one looks good as well. Yeah, no, this one looks perfect. Now our text is ready. Let's go to the end part. We will want our text to be around like this second. So let's remove the other part. And here at the end, let's add one more keyframe and place it right here. And then opacity to 0. Let's play it. You see, the text is now gone. So now our text is ready. It's coming from the bottom to the center, and at the end, it's gone. Now let's add some of the background. To simply select this layer, go to the effects, go to the caution blur, and add it to your video. Go to the effects control. Here, let's see where our text is starting. At this point, select your video, add the blurriness to about 20%. Go all the way to the next one, select your video, add the blurriness to 0. And let's play the video. You see, we have our blurred background. Let's do the same at the end. Select this, go to this keyframe, add a keyframe here, go to the next keyframe, and then add the blurriness to 0. Let's play again the video. Great, isn't it? You can get creative and add some of the more details to it. You can add the opacity just like I did. You can add the mask. You can use a different font styles. You can use a different position and different things as well. And that's it. With few easy steps, you have made the titles that are cinematic for your video. If you have any questions regarding this, do let me know in the comment section below. Also, if you like this video, make sure to leave thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next one.